Hey, champions. How are y'all doing? I know you enjoyed your Thanksgiving. Today is still Thanksgiving, but I just want to share with y'all what I cooked today and how it tastes and everything. And then I'll show you a little bit of a video so that you can see what I cooked. All right. So, y'all, I cooked turkey for my husband. I made stuffing that both of us could eat, and I made it sort of like a millet stuffing, because that way I could make sure that I had enough substance to eat and nourishment to eat today. And I was like, let me put some mushrooms, green peppers, celery, all that good stuff. I put it in there. Fennel, sage, you know, the good stuff to make it taste like sausage when it's not really sausage. All you need is the right ingredients. So I did that. And then what else? I made au gratin potatoes. I forgot to take a picture of my au gratin potatoes. Oh my goodness, my scalloped potatoes. And so anyway, my husband loved those. And but let me tell y'all what I did. So what I did was I cut up like 5 potatoes. I sliced them up real thin. I put them in some water, really hot water, and just let them get soft, a little soft. And then I put them in a little roasting pan to put in the oven. I put a little avocado oil on the bottom of the pan and put my potatoes in there, a little bit of Himalayan salt. Himalayan salt. And I put a little bit of pepper, a little bit of smoked paprika. Now I'm going to tell y'all that smoked paprika, that's it right there. That's the key. And then what else did I do? I put some cheese on top. You know, that was for my husband. So I put some cheese on top. And I also made some green beans as well. I made that cherry pie, homemade cherry pie with my organic cherries. That was so much fun to make. And also actually got a piece of the cherry pie right here. So let me show y'all. Look at that. That's homemade. Now the crust, I bought, the crust was a gluten-free crust. So it's nice and flaky. See there? Nice and flaky crust. So let me just take a little bite. Oh, this just came out the oven too. Y'all see it's still hot? Y'all see that? Ooh, hold on. I ain't trying to burn my tongue. Oh, it smells so good. And let me tell y'all, the secret ingredient for this right here is that lemon juice. Fresh lemon juice. I squeezed fresh lemon juice. It was like from 1 lemon, and it was so good. This is so good. Y'all, look at that. Look at them big cherries. This is so good. Y'all, this is my first time making my own homemade pie. Well, cherry pie. I made other pies before. But not a cherry pie. This is good. Woo. Look, let me tell y'all something. It's just best to cook homemade. Just cook homemade. That prepackaged stuff, I'm telling you, it's no good. This is it right here. Let me show y'all what I did for the rest of the day. I'll show y'all the other information, the other recipes. I'm going to finish this right now. I'll talk to y'all later. Oh, yeah. I love you. I believe in you, and I want to see you win. I'm going to finish this off. Ingredients for stuffing. This is the �X𝐬𝐬 bread. I cut this up. It was like 5 slices. And you have your portobello mushroom, green bell pepper, celery, and red onion. All right, and that's the stuffing. Okay, here's the turkey. It's falling off the bone. And these green beans were cooked with vegetable broth, Himalayan salt, and a dash of pepper. All right, guys, this is what I'm gonna use to make the cherry pie. Organic dark cherries, vanilla extract, lemon juice from a fresh lemon, a little bit of cane sugar, just a tiny bit, some cornstarch to thicken it up, and I have gluten-free pie shells. Didn't feel like making it from scratch this time. I'm letting the cherry juice drain out a little bit. And then once I do that, I'm going to take the cherries out of the juice. And then I'm going to add some cornstarch in the juice to thicken the juice up. Okay, it has thickened up. I put the corn syrup in there, the vanilla extract, and some lemon juice, fresh lemon juice. I put a little bit of cane sugar in here. See, it's nice and thick. Oh yeah, look at that pie. Now that's what you call homemade pie right there. Cherry pie. Everything looks so delicious. Oh, I can't wait to get a bite.